Hi Susan, here's a new video for you. I just got back in town yesterday afternoon. Looks like there's still preparation to go into the stucco phase. So I heard there was a good bit of rain while I was gone, so that's probably why they haven't got to it yet. But let me walk inside the house, see how we're looking. As you can see, the interior, the drywall is prepped, ready for paint. Attic access ladders in. Okay. I'm going to come in through the laundry room to the garage. The house is drywalled and it's ready to be painted. We'll go to the guest rooms first, and then we'll circle back over to the master bedroom for you. Baseboards are in. Tub covers in, tubs in. Cement board is around the shower area is done. So they are definitely in full prep mode for paint. Probably going to start any time on the inside. Alright, let's head out to the great room area. Your single French door from your nook to your patio lanai. Shot of your great room. Nice high ceilings. View of the den area. Main entry. Formal dining. Kind of circle, pan back around, see the nook area, triple French doors. Not even working, that's for sure. Okay, let's head to the master bedroom. The arched entry. Got the coffered ceiling. Nice room set up. There's a wall mount TV. Kind of pan back around. Back toward the main entry there. Again, there's your wall mount TV and the entry to your master bathroom. You have the walk-in closet on the left. Main closet, subject closet on the right. Let me show you in here a little bit. Come into your bathroom. The green boards around the tub. That's for moisture. So that way the boarding, the drywall will last. You got cement board in your shower. It's all framed in, drywalled in. Here's one vanity. Other vanity will be on this side. That's where it'll sit. Of course, you got all your Whirlpool tub plumbing in, and your commode closet. So coming right along, window sills are in, looking good. And so I'll keep you posted when I get the next video that will have the stucco done on the outside, and hopefully the painting will be done. Have a great rest of the day.